Get in here! Get in here, number one! Are you scared? Are you scared? Did Mama give you some balls? Up now.
Oh gosh!
You don't want to enter the lines, Dan. No, sir. It doesn't hurt the line. You little pussy.
Got the root.
You little pussy. Ah! Yeah! What we want to do here, we don't want to scare the poor little fella. He's not trying to hurt nobody. So what we're going to do is, we just hog the loogie. Couldn't you believe that? I've never heard such a bait. So, just cocking the little loogie out of the tree. We're going to search for this bait. This is one of a kind. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. We're gonna go at him. Listen at him. I think he's ready. I think he's in heat. He might want to have sex with me. He's attacking me. Oh, God. It's a bush jumping bite. There's only one in this world. There's a bush jumping bite out here. Look at him. Oh, man, what a beauty. Careful. He could strike at any moment. Look at him. Man, he's a feisty one. Man, look at him circling. He wants to be. Oh! Oh, a baseball slide right into the crotch. Boy, man, this is a rare one. You don't catch him this feisty. Yeah. Oh, it's a male.
Now we will demonstrate a lashing from the 1600s.
Give me my lashing. Oh, you missed me with your lashing.
Hold on, we gotta go again.
All right. Give me the lashing, I'm a bad boy.
Take two. Now we'll demonstrate a lashing from the 1600s.
That was a lashing from hell. Everyone at home, don't try that. It wasn't fun on my part, probably his. I didn't feel too good after that. Tomorrow, I'll wake up and call him a piece of shit. I promise I will. I'll feel that piece of shit. Look at him. He's one, you know.
Oh God!
Adam, it hurt. Did you not hear me? I was gonna call you a piece of shit tomorrow. No, Jack. Don't let him.
No.
Jack.